So my daughter's 3D pen suddenly stopped working. When I turned it on, all the indicators were on, but the pen itself wasn't functioning properly. My first thought was that a piece of filament might be stuck inside the pen. To check that, I needed to open it. At the time of filming, I didn't have any proper tools, so I used a small utility knife to remove the tiny screws. By the way, friends, if you like this kind of video, please support it with a like and subscribe to the channel. I'd really appreciate it. After removing the small screw near the tip, I took off the pen's outer shell. Inside the body, I disconnected the wires in the middle section. Then I removed two screws at the top of the pen and took off the plastic spacer. In my case, it was a white plastic part. Next, I carefully removed the black part by pulling it out. It could be a small motor. After that, I unscrewed the screw holding the tube where the filament passes through during operation. When I carefully pulled out the tube, the problem became obvious. A red filament was stuck inside. The same filament my daughter used for one of her 3D projects. I removed the filament, made sure the tube was completely clear, and then assembled the pen back together step by step.